Good morning students. Next concept we have learned about the alternative methods of square numbers. Alternate squaring numbers. I hope you are understood the previous concept. Is it the properties of square numbers and exercise problems also. Okay, today we have used the three types of alternate methods of square numbers. Okay, the first type is diagonal method. First type is diagonal method, and second one of the method is column method. Column method. Diagonal method. And third one of the method, square of the number, ending with 5. Okay, today three types of square methods we have seen. Okay. The first method is column method. First one is column method. Here you will draw the columns. Okay. So draw this like of columns. Okay. Here using the formula a square. Okay. And then 2 into a into b and then b squared. The first one a is called the column 1. It's called column 1. Second one is called column 2. This one is called column 3. Column 3. So what is the formula? A square 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a into b. Okay, and b squared. B squared. So which number we have? Find out the square. 54. Find the square number of 54 square. 54 square. So here we have considered the first value as a, second value as b. Okay, the first value was a and second digit is considered to the b. Okay, so now substitute this value. What is the value of a? 5. So 5 square. 5 square. What is the value of 5 square? 25. Okay, here 2 into a value is 5, b value is 4. Here b square. B square, what is the value? 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. These are the given datas. Now start from the column 3. Now start from the column 3. See what is the value of 4 square? 16. Is it 16? So underline the 6 value. Remaining 1 move to the column 2. Start from the column 3. B squared value is 4 square. 4 square value is 16. The first digit, unit digit, underline that. Okay. So that 6 is stay in the column 3. The 1 move to the column 2. Column 2. So already here 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40. Already here 40. That 1 will be added in here. So 40 plus 1, 41. Now underline the 1 in the unit place. So now the remaining 4 move to here. Already here 25. 25 plus 4, What we get? 29. 29. Now underline that numbers we have right. Okay, so 54 square. What we write now? Write from column 1 to column 3. Okay, calculate the value from column 3 to column 1. The result will be right from column 1 to column 3. So 2916. 2916. The value of the square 54 is 2916. 2916 is the answer for the 54 square. Okay. See the example. 7. Find the square of 97. 97 square. Using the column method. Here solution. Here A is equal to 9. B is equal to 7. Okay. Now draw the column. Okay. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. So here write what is the column 1, A squared, column 2, A into 2 into A into B, and column 3 is B square. What is the B value? 7 square. And here 2 into 9 into 7. And then A value is 9 square. So what is the value of 9 square? 81. Here 7 square is 49. So we have considered the unit place underline. Okay. And then next 4 move to the column 2. Start from the column 3 for the calculation. Okay, so 7 square is equal to 49. Unit place stay here, and tens place move to the column 2. Already here 2 9s are 18, 18 7s are 126. 126. So now the unit tens value move to the column 2, added to the unit place. So 6 plus 4, 10, 1. So 110. Underline the 0. Underline the 0. 13 move to here. Already here 81. So added 13. What we get? 94. What we get? 94. Now write the value of 97 square is equal to 97 square is equal to, right from the column 1, 9409. Underlining the unit places. Here 94, here 0 and 9. So 9409 is the answer for the 97 square. Okay. Now see the second one of the method. Diagonal method. Okay. Diagonal method, you will draw the square matrix. Okay. Here we have considered the 126. 126. Find the value of 126. The whole square is given. Okay. So solution. So how many digits are there? 3 digits. So you will draw the 3 cross 3 square matrix. 3 cross 3 square matrix. 2 numbers, 2 digits are given. You will draw the 2 cross 2 square matrix. Okay. So here Three numbers, 3 digits are given. You will draw the 3 cross 3 square matrix. And divide the diagonals. Divide the diagonals. Okay. Now write 126. Here also write 126. Okay. Now multiply. 1 6 are 6. And then 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Why do you put in 0 in this place? Tens places are zeros. Here only ones place are only there. So tens places will be put the 0. Okay. And now multiply 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Here 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. Now here what is the value? 6. Add these values. In this diagonal only 6 value. So 6. Here what are the numbers? 2 plus 3 plus 2. So 5. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 2 7. Here write 7. And next is 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. Okay. So add these values. 7. Here also 7 plus 7. 14. 14 plus 4. 18. So 18. So 8 is stay here. 1 move. Carry forward to here. Okay. So already here 2 plus 2. Others all the diagonal values are 0. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here 1 carry over to here. So 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5. And next one here only one value. Now write the answer for 126. The whole squared is equal to, what is the value? 15,876. 15,876. Okay. Now see the example 8. Find the square of 729 by using the diagonal method. Using the diagonal method. 729 square. Using diagonal. Diagonal method. Okay. So how many digits? 3 digits are there. So you will draw the 3 cross 3 magic square. Okay. So grids. 3 cross 3 grids. So 7 2 9 7 2 9. Now multiply. First draw the diagonals. Right. Now multiply 9 7s are 63. 9 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. And then 9 2s are 18. 4 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. 9 7s are 63. Now added the values. Okay. So first one, write 1. And second, add these three values. 8 plus 8 plus 8. What is the value? 24. So write 4 here. Okay. To carry forward to the next one. Okay. Here 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. You will write 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 8, 12. 12. Already here 2. So 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 right here. 1 move to here. Okay. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 20. So 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 20. Here 1 added in this place 21. So write here 1 to carry forward to in this place. So 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 9 plus 1, 11. Already here 2. So 2 move to that side. So 2 added here 13. So write here 3. Remaining 1 carry forward to this one. Okay. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Here write 5. Now write the square value of 729. The whole square is equal to 53144. 1 5 3 1 4 4 1. Okay, 5,31,441 is the square value of 729. Okay, that's it. And next example 9. Find the square of 5,134. 5,134. So here how many digits are there? 4 digits are given. 4 digits are given. So you will draw the 4 cross 4 magic square. Okay. Four cross 4 magic square. Which are the numbers? 5 1 3 4. 5 1 3 4. Draw the diagonals. Okay, now multiply the numbers. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and now multiply. 1 4s are 4, 3 1, 1 5s are 5, and then 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and next one 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, and then 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, and then 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Multiply and write in the diagonals. Now calculate the values. So here 6. Here only 6. Now added these 4 values. 2 plus 1 plus 2. 5. Is it? 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. So unit places 5. And next 4 plus 10, 14, 15, 19. So 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 19. So write the 9 in this place, 1 carry forward to in here. So 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus already here 1 7. So write in this place 7. And next added this diagonal. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 7 15. Okay, so 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5 plus 1 5 plus 2. So 15. Already here any values? No. Here 6 plus 1. So 15. So I write 5 in this place. 1 move to here. Okay. 1 move to the diagonal. 1 plus 5. 5 plus 1. So totally 10. 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. Already here 1. So 11. So in this place 1. Carry forward to 1 in this place. Already here 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here write 6. And here 2. Okay. So what is the square value of 5134? Square is equal to, what is the value? Right from here, is it? 2615 7956. 7956. That is the answer. 26 3 5. Here 2 7 2 6 1 5 7 9 5 6. Okay, so carefully write. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, and then 5 5s are 25 again. So 1 table multiply. So 5 1 3 4. After multiply 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. And then 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, and 4 5s are 20. Add this value 6. Okay, so here 5, and then add these values 5, 15, 19. So 9. Okay, remaining 1 move to here. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, and then write 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 7 15. Okay, so 5 right here. Remaining 1 move to here. So 11. Here is sum of values. I hope you all understand the diagonal method. So answer is 26157956 is the answer for the squaring value 5134. Now see the third one of the method. Square of number ending in 5. Okay, so end with 5 we will, how do you do this? Shortcut method. This is called the shortcut method. Okay, 10th problem, find the square of 85 by using the shortcut method. Find using the shortcut method of 85. Okay, so 85 square panna solliranga using the shortcut method. Okay, for what we do first, first one and first number, the tens place. Okay, so last one, ones place, just leave it. Okay, finally we have considered the ones place or any ending with the number 5. Finally we have considered the before of the number 8. What is the successor of 8? 9. Okay, so just multiply by the, so the successor of 8 is 9. Successor of 8 is 9. Now multiply. Okay, product of 8 and 9 is 8 into 9 equal to 72. Okay, 8 9s are 72. Now consider the suffix. Suffix, what is that? Suffixing 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, Amma? So suffixing the 5 square is equal to 25. We get 85 square is equal to, first write the prefix number 72 and write the suffix number 25. That's all. Okay, see another one of the example. Finding the square of 125 using the shortcut method. Using the shortcut method. Here also we have leave the 5. This is a suffix, consider the last. Okay, and prefix value is 12. So what is the successor of 12? Easiest method. Okay, so successor of successor of 12 is 13. So product of 12 and 13 is 12 3s are 156. 156. Now suffix value. What is the suffix value? Suffixing of 5 square is equal to 25. Thus we get, what is the value? 125, the whole squared is equal to, first write the prefix value. What is the prefix value of 156? And now add the suffix value. That's all. The square value of 125, the whole square is equal to 15,625. 15,625. That's all. Okay, I hope you all understand the 3 methods. What are the? Column method, diagonal method and shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method, very easiest one. First to find out the, just leave the ending of the file, leave. Okay, suffix consider through the finally and consider to the prefix values and write the successor of the prefix value. After consider the suffixing square, 5 square is equal to 25. After joining the suffix value and prefix value, we get the square value of the given number. Okay, I hope you all understood the today alternative methods of the square numbers. Thank you, students.